Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if Instagram keeps saying your request is pending every time you try to send a follow request to someone. Now, the main reason why this happens is because Instagram limits the number of follow requests you can send per day. So, if you have already followed too many accounts or sent too many requests in the past 24 hours, simply wait for some time. Instagram does this to protect spam and bots from taking over the platform. It's important to note that this can also happen if your Instagram account is fairly new. If you get that your request is pending even after waiting, you should check if your account is restricted by Instagram in any way. To do this, open the Instagram app and head to the Profile tab. Here, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, scroll all the way down to the end of the page and tap on Account Status. In this menu, tap on Features you can't use. Here, you will see if your Instagram account is restricted in any way. As you can see, for me, it shows you can use all the Instagram features right now because my account hasn't violated any of the guidelines. If your account has been restricted, you will also find an option to submit a request. Once you submit the request, Instagram team will review it and get back to you in a few days. After that, you should be able to follow accounts once again. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.